Sulfate-free shampoo, everyone is selling it right now, but after 28 years in the chair, here is the honest truth. Sulfates are strong detergents that strip everything off your hair, including the moisture it needs. Sulfate-free cleanses gently without removing what your hair actually needs. Color-treated hair needs sulfate-free because it makes your color last weeks longer. Dry, damaged, curly, and wavy hair also needs it badly, but not everyone needs it. If you have a very oily scalp or healthy uncolored hair, regular shampoo works perfectly fine. Always check the ingredients list. Look for sodium lauryl sulfate. These are the sulfate-free shampoos I actually recommend after testing everything. Color-treated or curly hair, yes, get sulfate-free. Healthy hair, regular is fine. All recommendations are linked below. Hair Boss at home, your hair keeps going brassy even after toning, and you're wondering why. The truth is, it's not usually the toner's fault. Hard water, heat styling, regular shampoo, and even sunlight slowly pull the toner out of your hair over time. That's why your beautiful, cool blonde turns brassy again in just a couple of weeks. The good news is there are simple things you can do to make your toner last much longer. Use a chelating shampoo once a week to remove hard water minerals. Always use heat protectant before styling and switch to color-safe sulfate-free shampoo. These small changes will keep your toner looking fresh for 4 to 6 weeks instead of 2. All the exact products I use and recommend are linked in the description below. Hair Boss at home. So this is 712. A chelating shampoo is like a detox for your hair. It pulls out hard water minerals and product buildup that regular shampoo can't touch. Use it once a week. Apply it to wet hair, massage it in well, and leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing. Always use a heat protectant before you blow dry or style. Heat is one of the fastest ways to pull toner out of your hair. Rinse your hair with cool water whenever possible. Cool water helps seal the cuticle and lock the toner in much better than hot water. All the products I personally use and recommend are linked in the description below at every price point. Budget-friendly and professional options included. Comment below, are you using sulfate-free shampoo? I read every single comment. Watch this next, how to tone your hair at home without it going wrong. It's already on the channel waiting for you. Subscribe and hit the bell for a brand new professional hair secret every single week. Hair Boss at home, 28 years in the chair. Know your hair, grow your hair.